Hi, if you are on Claude AI and you can't find your previous charts, then in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest method to find your previous charts on Claude AI app using your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, open your Claude AI app. So I'll go to my app and then tap on it. So I have previous charts that I wish to see. To open them, head over to these three lines that are on your left corner and tap on it. And here you can see we have an interface for you to start new charts or even open your recent charts. As you can see, I have my previous charts here. You can go to any thread by title and tap on it to open your charts. If you want to go back, you can just click again on the three lines and tap on new chart. So that's how you can find your previous charts or open your previous charts in Claude AI app using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.